quiet of the night, when the stars begin to gleam, there's a whisper in the breeze, like a softly spoken dream. You and I will chase the light in the dance of moonlit skies. Every moment feels so right, with the love that never dies. Eternal whispers in the wind, love so sweet it makes us spin. Every heartbeat feels so new, in the magic of me and you. Goosebumps rise with every touch, in your arms it's never too much. Timeless love, forever young, in this song our hearts are sung. Every day feels like a song, when I'm wrapped in your embrace. In your eyes where I belong, there's a love I can't replace. With each sunrise we begin a new chapter of our tale. In your heart I've always been, love so true it will prevail. Eternal whispers in the wind, love so sweet it makes us spin. Every heartbeat feels so new, in the magic of me and you. Goosebumps rise with every touch, in your arms it's never too much. Timeless love, forever young, in this song our hearts are sung. Hold me close, don't let me go. In your love I found my home. Through the highs and through the lows, together we have always